I received another haul from pinkyparadise.com and I got 3 pairs of circle lenses. I got the seashell in gray. The seashell, this is the Super Crystal Gray. Princess Pinky Crystal Gray is what it says on pinkyparadise.com. And so yeah, Princess Pinky Crystal Gray. I'm sorry. Hold on. Let's do this. Dun, dun, dun. There. So these contacts, I'm actually not gonna open them. I'm not gonna wear them for maybe a year. They expire in 2016, so I'm not worried about that. But yeah, I'm not gonna. I just bought them 3 pairs of contact lenses because they were on sale, and I thought, well, why not? I'll use them next year. And I got the honey pink. This is Princess Pinky, honey pink. Oh, this is Princess Pinky. Sorry, this one is not Princess Pinky. I forgot what it's called. I think it's just the Super Crystal Gray. That is. The company is Seashell and Crystal Gray. They're also on sale on pinkyparadise.com. Okay, and yeah, and of course my favorite so far is the Princess Mimi in Sesame Gray. Princess Mimi, Sesame Gray. These are my favorites so far, but I also like the Princess Mimi Almond Brown. But there is a problem for me with the almond brown, and that is that it makes my eyes look darker. I have dark brown eyes, but it makes my eyes look even darker, and I kind of want a brown that makes them a little bit lighter. But they have a great the Princess Mimi series I really like, and they have a great enlarging effect. And I got these cases free and 3 gifts free. So this is the thing to hold your hair back, so I'll give this as a present to somebody. And these eyelid patches, which I actually really like. The Deck Out Woman crystal eyelid patches, I really like them. You put them under your eyes and they really moisturize your eyes, and you can sleep with them on, and they do stick and stay on overnight. And there's a lot of essence in here too, so I really like them. It's also anti-aging, reduces dark circles, puffiness, and it really works for me. And you know, I have really dry skin, so I really appreciate these. I store them in the fridge too. And then I got 2 kinds of beauty diary masks, my beauty diary masks. This is the sake yeast, and this is the black pearl, and this is my favorite one, and I haven't tried this one, but I'm gonna try this for you today and show you what it looks like. I can open the black pearl one. So I already opened all the packages so I could show you. They were wrapped in pink bubble wrap, and I just tore them apart. They were taped really well. I'm going to show you how the masks are. So this is the size of my hand, so you can see the size too. And this is the black pearl. This is what it looks like inside. But yeah, I'll wear the sake yeast one for you and tell you how that goes. So the black pearl and the cherry blossoms, they are my favorites so far. And then I got these Jumily eyelashes, which in this video I'll put them on and show you how they look. And I got the Heroine Make mascara. This is volume and long, and it's waterproof as well, and that's what the brush looks like in there. So I like this mascara a lot. And this is the Dolly Wing. Like, people have been raving about this liquid eyeliner, and it's an eyeliner pen with a brush, but a more firm brush tip pen, and in 2010 it was rated number 3 by Cosme. This is a beauty ranking site. It's really popular in Japan. And so yeah, this is apparently number 3, I guess, in Japan, the 3rd most popular eyeliner. And so I really like it. The Tsubasa Masukawa series eyeliner. Yeah, so this is my favorite too. I really liked it. And it's also waterproof, in case no one ever told you. Because like, a lot of the sites rave about it and they don't tell you it's waterproof. It is waterproof. Also, this mascara is waterproof, so I appreciate that because I don't have a waterproof mascara. Okay, and I'll put the Jumily. I've never tried Jumily eyelashes before, but these were also on sale, and I thought, and they're kind of cheaper than the Dollywink and the other ones, and you get 2 pairs as well, and they looked kind of cool. I mean, they kind of remind me of the Dollywink eyelashes. So I thought, why not? And they have a really thin band too. So I'll put these on and show you how they look. Hi, so I'm gonna try on the Jumily false eyelashes. And these are number 4 in Cat. The number 4, Jumily number 4 false eyelashes that I showed you before. Okay, so they have a very thin band, which I like because it's just more comfortable. I find that thin band is more comfortable. So I'm just taking it out of the case. My glue's starting to get a bit clumpy. The band is very flexible as well. I need to clean this. I need to clean my glue so I can keep using it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the thicker part on the outside, and here I go. So they're not as long actually as I thought they would be. I thought they would be longer. Sorry. So I put one on. I'll put the other side on now. So yeah, the band is really thin and really soft, which is really good. And this is how it looks. This is number 4 Cat. Okay. See it in different light. Right now I have like 2 of the vanity mirrors lights on and the bathroom light on. I'm going to turn off the vanity mirror lights. And so the light here is more natural now. And this is what it looks like. So, dun, dun, dun. Number 4, Cat. And my finger's covering the number, I think. Where does it say? Here. Number 4, Cat eyes. Yeah, so I really like them actually. I think they're up there with Dollywink. I'm not sure, but I think I like the Dollywink better. But maybe this one looks a bit more natural than the Dollywink. And the Dollywinks are much more dramatic. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.